up, everybody? Over here at the Marriott in Waikoloa, checking mom and dad into their room before dropping me off at the airport. I'm headed to DC today with a stop in Denver. Excited for my trip over to the nation's capital and get mom and dad settled in here, go grab a bite to eat, and then head over to the airport. So I'm gonna take you guys along for our trip. Maybe a day by day or something like that. We'll see how long these videos go, but here we go. All right, tune in, stick around, and God bless you guys all. Get me relaxed by the pool a couple hours before my flight. Leave at 9 p.m. tonight. It's about almost 6. Pop's in the jacuzzi hanging out over there. As soon as he's done, we're gonna go head out to the airport to drop me off so I can be on my way. Bye. Alright, I'm seated. Got a whole row and a half to myself. Got a 7-hour flight. I'm ready to knock out, go to sleep. Catch you later. Ya, whakaile ako ka ngumon manguia malanga. We go check out my car, grab my bag, then make my way to the Longworth house. Go pick up my tickets for the inauguration on Monday.
just are not true. No, no. Do not listen to those negative voices.
All right.
Even when that voice inside you.
Park the car. What's up, man?
Like you got no future and you got no home. You're going nowhere, so why you even try?
Car's parked.
Do not listen to those lies. Hear me when I say you're beautiful.
Headed out to go pick up my tickets. Look at all this snow over here. Look at that.
Keep on pushing through. I know your problems extraordinary, but they're only
Whew. Yeah, snow.
when the storms are raging. Boat is capsizing.
Walking with my slippers. Let my sangi. Mahalo mea. God damn, look, snow. That's cold out here. There's St. Peter's Church right here. Might come check out Mass on Sunday, we'll see. But got a lot of closures over here. Got all the black gates set up. Look. Whew. See if I can make it to the Longburn House or whatever it's called, Longworth House, before they close. Catch you inside. Hey yo, I lucked out on parking. I was maybe a block away from where I was supposed to go and pick up my tickets, but here we go. Check that out. Can you see that? Got my tickets for this week. I'm so stoked, man. Thanks to Katherina and Wendy for getting this all together for me. Thank you so much. God bless you guys, or God bless you ladies, and the folks in your the staff in your office. So gonna go right now. I don't have any socks. Como Samoan ele prep for lele akopa u scam. So I'm gonna go and buy me some socks, some nice warm socks, and they told me to get some of these warm breaking things you put in your pockets and keep your hands warm. I'll probably stick some of those in my shoes. Whew. Well, it's a nice day over here. A little bit cloudy right now. I'm gonna go to Walmart. I think it's like 5 miles away. Pick me up some socks, some coquingis, and go find somewhere to eat dinner tonight. But I'm here. Thank the Lord so much for His love and His grace and goodness. And my mom sent me a picture earlier. They were at the beach. In the warm sun beach. I'm over here in the freeze cold snow. So, yep. I'm gonna check into my hotel later on tonight after I do all my shopping and have dinner, and then I'll go check into my room. So it's been a nice day. I slept most of the plane ride. Too bad for the man who sat next to me from Denver to DCA, because I didn't care who was sitting next to me. I was gonna knock out, and I did. And I don't care how I slept, whether it was Whakangulu or Moifa Mango. I don't care. I had a good time. And I went to sleep when the plane took off. I woke up when the plane landed. That's how I like it. But once again, thank you, Wendy. Thank you, Katherina, for the conversation, for staying a little bit late to give me my ticket. So
You listen me. Come on. Right now. Oh. Oh, Lord. What is he doing? You listen me. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Well, he woke me up this morning, started me on. Oh, yeah. You ought to be able to say that. The Lord. Oh, yes, he is. He lets him. He's doing it. Oh, yeah. Feel like one more chorus. Oh, the Lord. What is he doing? He lets him right now. Oh, yeah. Oh, the Lord.
looking forward to the rest of this weekend. And may the Lord bless all of you. And stick around. My next episode maybe will be, I'm going to go tour the National Mall tomorrow. Go see Brother Lincoln, his statue over there, and whatever there else is to see. I'm more excited to go check out some of the food. Yep. But stick around for the next episode. Let you guys know when it is. So far so full. Afkaile akumo lona arangale lona lofa tu no. And I'll see all of you guys next episode. Cheese.